What's going on, YouTube? Yo, today we're gonna do another video on the blacked out Joker, and today's video we're actually gonna do an exhaust. We have like this custom exhaust in the car, but it wasn't really sounding too right, and so we decided to like switch it up, and we went with the Borla. Today we are going to be installing a Borla exhaust. This is a Borla ATAK. I don't really know what much to say about it besides, you know, being a Borla and stuff. But yeah, man, we're gonna go take it to the shop. We're gonna go take it to the shop, have them install it. I'll show you guys the whole video on how, like, you know, they set it up and install it and everything. And we're gonna see how it sounds after. Hopefully it sounds really awesome, because with 850 horsepower and this custom exhaust, it doesn't really sound good. Honestly, I don't really like the way it sounds. But yeah, man, let's get to it. Here, I'll give you guys a cold start since it's like early in the morning. Man, my bad, guys. So as you can see, they already started cutting. Cutting right now. Down.
Hey, para Cuba.
Look at that.
done.
Dog, this shit sounds so quiet, bro. Oh my gosh, I can't even hear nothing, bro. Like, I could literally hear myself inside. No more loud grumbling. It just, bro, overall, it's so much better now, bro. It's so much better. Bro, the exhaust we just had, bro, it was just, it's so annoying, man. Like, it made me want to hate this motherfucker. But like, this shit is so quiet now. Like, Jesus, it sounds so good. It sounds super good, man. Here, we'll probably do a little pull for you guys, just so you guys can see and stuff, you know. Right by the hard rock with it. Let's see. That's with the window down. Alright, guys. I think it sounds super good. I love it, man. W purchase. Thank you, Borla. Thank you to my boy Solus Racing, who hooked me up for the price and everything, man. You know, if you guys need anything Mopar, you guys can hit up Solus Racing Group at any time, man. That guy will get you right. Just tell him Joker sent you. He knows. He knows. But yeah, man, I'm finna catch you on the next one, man. See ya.